we come in?
Absolutely.
All right.
It's a public space. Creative space.
Come on,
Mercer.
Nice to meet you.
You gonna give us a quick spiel?
Come on in.
Okay, and then we heard something about snacks going away if we don't go get them.
Oh.
So we want to do that
You're
too.
competing with snacks.
Yeah, holy moly. I don't think I can. Not good. Yeah,
This
come on
is
in.
great.
Or have
So anytime you're ready, thank you
Yeah,
so
so
much.
this is Thunderballs recording studio and rehearsal studio, and we do we bring in bands and they can come in and rehearse. All the equipment's here, ready for them to go. They just have to bring their instruments and plug in, and they can spend 2-3 hours here just cranking out music and whatever they do. So it's hard to do that at home, and
Yeah.
a lot of the neighbors don't appreciate it. So here they're isolated, they can do whatever they want, get cranked up within reason. So as long as they don't blow up the equipment, I'm all right with that.
When
so-
did you move in?
Only a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, wow.
So Hazy Bay and myself were both down in South Park in a warehouse. And they had other plans for the warehouse, and so we needed to find a place, and this happened to show up. And they knew, they had a connection, and I was able to get in too. So,
You didn't have to build out this stuff. It was
you know, it was all like this, and there was a
Great.
big console
Perfect.
there. And yeah, it's amazing that it was actually set up so nice. I did have to do a lot of work moving things and getting rid of cables, and
Sure.
I've probably got 3 weeks into just under the floor here. The floor is, there's like 2-foot space underneath
Cable
there,
space.
and these
Oh, dear.
panels
It just
lift
got
up.
piled up.
Yeah, and I can run the cables all over the place. So this is the rehearsal and recording area, rehearsal area with the mics. Right next door is all the recording gear, so I'm isolated. I can understand and hear what's going on. And
Nice.
that is also a rehearsal space too, so that a smaller band, a
Could be
three-piece
in
band, yeah, could also rehearse over there at the same time somebody's over here, because it seems like Mondays and Tuesdays are the most popular days for musicians to come in and do their thing, so. But yeah, they're gigging on Friday, Saturday, and
Oh,
so
true.
There's a musician right
Yeah.
they all wanna be involved, so, so, anyway, and it's been really good, but, the parking's a little rough down here compared to where I was,
Yeah.
but, it's all worked out, cause after hours, it's pretty open. down here, so, but it's been a great place. They did get the air conditioning above 60 degrees now, so it was freezing cold. They had a big, right next to me is a huge, which was a server farm in there, and it was supposed to be at 58 to 60 degrees. So we were working in that freezing temperature with down jackets on, trying to get They finally got it up to 65, so that's reasonable compared to
And you
where
have
we were.
24/7 access to the air?
Yes, yeah,
Awesome.
24/7 access. Yeah, so, and you typically, we're using it from about 6 or 7 o'clock until midnight. And, I'll take you next door then.
Yeah, sure.
So there's my business cards there. I also do voiceovers too, so.
Oh, nice. Between your-
Play with those.